Hi guys, in today's video, welcome back to our channel. So, in today's video, we are costuming Miraculous Ladybug. See it? Let's go! First, let's go in the hair. Let's see what. Let's find the Miraculous Ladybug ear. So, maybe we can this one. And let's just color it some color, right? We can color it, right? We can color this Miraculous Ladybug. So, what's the purple? That one? I hope so. Oh, man, not this one. I just mean, we need Miraculous Ladybug color. That's what I need. This one, maybe I need this one. So let's find our face. Oh, this face one. Oh yeah, this one, this face. So let's give her this one. What should it call be the this? Don't know what is. Oh no, I'm so ugly. I know. Maybe we can find this. Oh man, I cannot find it. But this one, I hope so. This one, I think so too. But let's find our new this new shirt. I mean new shirt. We need some shirt. I don't know where is the shirt for her. I mean this one. Maybe this one. I don't think there was. Mm, no, where should be. I need this one, so this one. Oh man, guys, I can't find it. Maybe this one. Could it be? Um. Ooh, I can be this one. Not this one. Yes, this one. It could be Miraculous Ladybug. Yes. And next. So next, guys, we need. No. So next, we need. I cannot find it, but I hope I will find it. This one. And this is, I'm finding Katner Evil. Wait. I don't know, this one. Katner, good one. She's good in here. Yeah, not this one. Yeah, this one. Yes. Oh, yeah, this is, and this one. Katner. So guys, subscribe, like, comment for more like this video. I'm gonna see you soon with another video. Bye.